So next you're going to practice using some of the clue words from the graphic organizer that you completed yesterday to figure out the mode of third person narration for each passage. So you're going to read each passage, highlight the character's thoughts and feelings, and identify the narrator's perspective, whether it's objective, limited, or omniscient. And then you're going to explain your answer, how you knew. So the first one I'm going to do for you, The Wizard of Oz. The Scarecrow found a tray full of nuts and filled Dorothy's basket with them so that she would not be hungry for a long time. She thought this was very kind and thoughtful of Scarecrow, but she laughed heartily at the awkward way in which the poor creature picked up the nuts. His padded hands were so clumsy that he dropped almost as many as he put in the basket. But the Scarecrow did not mind how long it took him to fill the basket, for it enabled him to keep away from the fire, as he feared a spark might get into his straw and burn him up. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we know what narrative perspective this is in. So I am going to highlight some of my pronouns like she and his and he, and I'm looking around. There's him, there's she, so I'm going to say that this is a third person perspective. And now I want to look for my character's thoughts. Can I see, I have two characters, I have both Scarecrow and Dorothy. So she thought this was very kind. So here we have the thoughts of Dorothy. So she thought this was very kind of Scarecrow. And then down here we have Scarecrow did not mind. And we also have he feared a spark might get in his straw and burn him up. So based on these details, fears, something that bothers you, and thoughts, we can see that we have both Dorothy and Scarecrow's thoughts here. So the narrative perspective would be third person omniscient because they use the pronouns she, he, and his, and they know both Dorothy and the Scarecrow's thoughts and feelings. So this is what you're going to continue to do for the next three passages. Go ahead and read them. Make sure you highlight your clues. Choose what perspective, which part of third person. Is it limited, omniscient, or objective? And then you have to explain how you know. So make sure you're being thorough with this. And if you cannot figure out how to get the 365 document to submit, just take a picture of both sides of your hard copy and send it to me, and I will give you credit. If you have questions, please message me, and I hope to see you soon.